Hey everyone, it's about Lot Tech banging with some more tech news. Hope you're having an awesome weekend so far. Now, I wanted to briefly talk today about Intel's making some moves. We haven't heard about Intel in a long time since they kind of partnered up with NVIDIA with their hardware and stuff. I know Lunar Lake is still a thing, but I heard rumors that they might potentially cancel or delay that. Um, but I don't know. I got to see where the tides go as far as Intel. But today I saw an article on, I think it was WCCF Tech, and it was also on Tom's Hardware. It was all across a bunch of little blog areas that I stumbled upon. Like usually when you find one story, it kind of carries over and branches over to other different like blog sites. But the ones I saw it on specifically is Tom Hardware and I believe WCCF Tech. Correct if I'm wrong. I'm gonna put the image up here of the article. But they're making some moves on their ARC GPUs. Now, we were looking forward for the longest time. A lot of us was looking for budget-friendly stuff and the next generation of ARC. Now, for this one, ARC did some tweaks and upgrades to their firmware and drivers for all the ARC GPUs. I think it was Celestial, I believe, was the next iteration that everyone was waiting for. That I think they canceled. I don't know if they put it back on track, but I can remember since they canceled it or delayed it or something along those lines. But anyway, they made upgrades and tweaks to all the ARC GPUs to make some performance games, some notables, some kind of like very minor. Two of the games that they mentioned that has some improvements with their new drivers and whatever is Assassin's Creed. I think it was the Valhalla one, like similar to 2022. That's like 4 years old, so I don't know why they're now trying to make pretty much tweaks and upgrades for their drivers to perform better in older games. Like none of the games I saw mentioned was like very recent. I think the most recent one was Deliverance or something like that. I think the first one, correct me if I'm wrong, put the article image up here. I think it was either Deliverance or Deliverance 2 game that they saw some improvement. That was one that's slightly somewhat middle ground, not too minor, not too major improvements were there. So they're so-called improvements to games. I don't play in those games you mentioned. Me personally, I play Pragmata, Diablo 4, World of Warcraft, Battlefield 6, and Stellar Blade, to name some of the main ones. I kind of circulate between almost every other weekend I play them. But so again, none of the games I play matters, but up until a few months ago, I did have an ARC B580 GPU. That's now sitting on my old case in the back now, catching dust. But one of my coworkers was to buy the card from me. But it was a B580, served me well until I finally got my stuff together for my upgrade behind me. So now I have a 9070 XT. But anyway, the improvements they're claiming to extend even to upcoming games getting released this year. I know a lot coming out in September and October, and I think everyone's looking forward for GTA 6 in November. So there are some hints in the article that I saw on WCC Tech and Tom's Hardware that these improvements that they made in the recent driver update and software update can stretch to the new AAA titles coming out or things that have been out already or came out this year. So anything this year that's AAA or anything last year AAA, it's supposed to extend. There were some hints that the article stated that I could potentially extend performance gains to those. But 12 gigs of RAM, video RAM, ARC GPUs, like even though mine didn't have any real issues, it's kind of like it's not a heavy hitting card. It is just over entry level to help you play the regular day-to-day games, but like some serious hardcore, heavy demanding games, ARC GPUs aren't that great from my experience. The frames, they struggle to keep 60 plus FPS, and like the heavy ones like Batman Wukong and stuff. But I'm looking forward to see. I really honestly don't care about this little tweak they did for existing or older GPUs for ARC. I'm looking at really hearing news. I'm sure y'all are too, to hear actual news on their if they're going to continue the project for the next gen of GPUs. Even if it's not Celestial, maybe something better than Celestial. But that's just me. Maybe I'm just wishful thinking. But there's some pretty decent numbers in there as far as improvements. So let me know in the comments below if you had have ARC GPU. I had one. Tell me your experience so far that you had with it, if you still have one or where you did have it. I just want to know y'all thoughts and compare it to my thoughts as far as when I use the ARC B580. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, this is Tech signing out.